subscribe my channel and press bell icon for the new notifications of new videos. Hello guys, me Raj. Today I am with new video and today I talk about 11 browser shortcut keys of Google Chrome or Firefox that we use in our PC. So today I talk about this. To know about this, watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Hey guys, me Raj. I welcome you to my channel TechWorldNepal. So first shortcut key is Control Shift T. It is used to reopen tab which we used previously. So we use Control plus Shift plus T to reopen the previous tab which we used previously. So second shortcut key is Control plus click and Shift plus click. We use these shortcut keys to open link in new window. We press Control and we just click on the browser or link that we reopen. We need to open in new window like this. Facebook.com is opened in new window. Third shortcut key is Control plus for zoom in and Control minus for zoom out. It is used to zoom in and zoom out. Second shortcut key is Control plus R. We use this shortcut key to refresh the web page. Like we are using this to refresh web page. Next shortcut key is Control plus Tab. It is used to know about used web page or web browser in our web browser. So we use Control plus Tab to know about used web browser. Next shortcut key is Control plus F. We use this shortcut key to find some word on our web page. Like we are searching a please. Please. We are searching for the please word in our web page. So we use Control plus F to find some word in our web page. Next shortcut keys are Control plus N and Control plus T. And we use Control plus N to open new browser on our browser. And next one is Control plus T to open new tab in our browser. Next shortcut key is Control plus Enter. We use this shortcut key to add .com at the end of URL automatically. Like we just search yahoo.com and we do not put this .com at the end. We just press Control plus Enter to put .com at the end of URL. Sorry, this is not opening. We try next URL like www.facebook.com and we just cut this .com and press Control plus Enter to add .com at the end of URL automatically. Next shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus Delete. We use this shortcut key to delete history of our computer browser. Like we just press Control Shift plus Delete and our setting is opening in our browser to delete history of our computer browser. It is opening. Setting, look, setting, and we can, this helps to delete history of our computer browser. Look, clear data, browsing data, clear data. We click on this. Our data, history data will be deleted. Next shortcut key is F11. We use this shortcut key to do full screen of our web browser, like F11 to exit full screen and F11 to do full screen of our web browser. It is useful for us. Next shortcut key is Shift plus arrow button. We use this to select text of our web browser. Like we need to select this phone tab access. We try on next browser like Facebook.com. Like we need to select these all the words. So we just click on this, then we use shift plus arrow button to select this text on our browser. Shift, we just click on this, and then we just use shift plus arrow button to select the text.